Imagine mowing your lawn and hearing a sound that feels like a voice for the grass. This is a thought experiment. We will treat it as a hypothetical idea and use real science to explore what it would mean. Start with how plants already signal. Plants send chemicals when cut. They change electrical signals across tissues. They vibrate when stressed. These are real processes, not screams. Chemical signals travel through air and soil. Volatile compounds warn neighbors. Mycorrhizal networks move information underground. Researchers measure electrical spikes after damage. If plants produced audible vibrations, those would be mechanical signals. Sound requires a medium in energy. Plants lack organs to shape sound like animals. Any noise would be faint and rhythmic, not words. Consider how society would respond. Lawn care routines might change. Lawns could be replaced by native meadows. Farmers might alter harvest timing. Policies could prioritize low-harm practices. Economic effects would follow. If mowing felt ethically fraught, industries would shift. New tools and schedules could reduce harm. Education would shape consumer choices. Ethical questions would grow. We would weigh human needs against non-human responses. Law and ethics would need clear evidence before changing practice. This is a moral thought experiment. Psychological impacts would appear. People might feel deeper empathy for plants. Others would resist change. Public messaging would matter to avoid fear or false claims. Science would guide us. Studies would test vibration patterns, chemical signatures, and perception thresholds. We would seek data before acting on emotion. In the end, this thought experiment asks how you value living systems. It asks for care, evidence, and humility. It does not claim plants scream. It asks how we respond if our assumptions change.